pang reels. Here have wheel bearing Mazda 3 wheel hub.
Tama ba ako dyan?
So, shout out daw from South Korea, South China Sea. Ito mga sir, napalitan natin yung isa. So very good na to. Wala nang ingay. Mazda 3 rear hub wheel bearing.
One hit lang, one hit.
Yan mga sir. Ow! Shit!
One hit.
Ito ang 4 na bolt.
Para mas lumambot.